ready to level up your setup as we count down the best gaming monitors that are changing the game. From blazing fast refresh rates and razor-sharp panels to responsive motion and HDR punch, this list has everything a gamer needs. Whether you want ultra-wide immersion for cinematic adventures or a desk-friendly size for tight setups, there's something here for every playstyle. Today, I'm going to be going over the best gaming monitors that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 10, we have Amazon Basics 27-inch gaming monitor. This budget-friendly 27-inch IPS panel delivers a full HD 1920x1080 resolution with a respectable 144 Hz refresh rate and a 1 ms MPRT response time, making fast-paced shooters feel smooth without breaking the bank. The monitor supports AMD FreeSync Premium, reducing screen tearing when paired with compatible graphics cards, and its 178-degree viewing angles ensure consistent colors across a wide seating area. Connectivity includes two HDMI 2 ports and a DisplayPort 1.2, while the ergonomic stand offers tilt adjustment for comfortable long play sessions. Built-in low blue light mode helps reduce eye strain during marathon gaming. Its typical brightness of 250 CD/M2 is adequate for most indoor setups, while the 99% sRGB coverage provides vibrant colors for both games and multimedia. The monitor also features a VESA-compatible 100x100 mount, allowing users to pair it with aftermarket arms for a cleaner desk layout. Although the stand does not offer height adjustment, the overall value proposition makes it an attractive entry point for gamers upgrading from a standard 60 Hz panel. Compared to the Sansui EaseG24C1L, which I have included as number 9 on this list, the Amazon Basics model offers a higher refresh rate and a larger screen, though it lacks the curved design that some gamers prefer. At number 9, we have Sansui EaseG24C1L. This 24-inch gaming monitor features a full HD 1920x1080 VA panel that emphasizes deep blacks and a contrast ratio of 3001, delivering a more immersive experience in darker game environments. Runs at a 144 Hz refresh rate and boasts a 4 ms gray-to-gray response time, balancing speed and visual fidelity. Adaptive Sync technology, compatible with both AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync compatible modes, helps eliminate tearing and stuttering across a wide range of frame rates. EaseG24C1L offers dual HDMI 2 ports, a DisplayPort 1.2, and a headphone jack, providing flexible connectivity for consoles and PCs alike. Its ergonomic stand supports tilt, swivel, and height adjustments, allowing users to find the perfect viewing angle for extended sessions. The monitor also includes a built-in speaker system tuned for basic audio without the need for external speakers. With a peak brightness of 300 CD/M2 and a 99% sRGB color coverage, the EaseG24C1L delivers vivid and accurate colors for both competitive titles and cinematic content. Its low blue light and flicker-free technologies further protect eyes during long gaming marathons. The monitor's anti-glare coating minimizes reflections in brightly lit rooms, enhancing clarity. Compared to the Sceptre C248 W1920RN, which I have included as number 8 on this list, the Sansui model provides a higher refresh rate and adaptive sync support, though the Sceptre's curved screen may appeal to those seeking a more enveloping field of view. At number 8, we have Sceptre C248 W1920RN. This 24-inch curved gaming monitor utilizes a VA panel with a 1500R curvature, wrapping the visual field slightly to increase immersion without overwhelming peripheral vision. Delivers a full HD 1920x1080 resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate, paired with a 4 ms MPRT response time that keeps motion blur to a minimum. Monitor supports AMD FreeSync, ensuring smooth frame delivery when paired with compatible GPUs. Connectivity includes two HDMI 2 ports and a DisplayPort 1.2, while built-in dual 2W speakers provide basic audio output for casual gaming. Stand offers tilt adjustment, and the VESA-compatible mounting pattern enables users to attach it to a monitor arm for a cleaner setup. With a typical brightness of 250 CD/M2 and 99% sRGB coverage, colors appear vibrant and consistent across the screen. While it lacks HDR support, its high contrast ratio of 3001 ensures deep shadows and bright highlights, making dark room gaming enjoyable. Monitor also incorporates a low blue light mode and flicker-free technology to reduce eye strain during extended play. Paired to the Sceptre curved gaming monitor, which I have included as number 7 on this list. The C248W1920RN offers a slightly tighter curvature radius and a more ergonomic stand, though the later model adds a larger 27-inch panel for a broader viewing area. At number 7, we have Scepter Curved Gaming Monitor. Its 24.5-inch display features a 1500R curved VA panel that delivers a full HD 1920x1080 resolution with a 144 Hz refresh rate and a 4 ms MPRT response time, striking a balance between speed and deep color reproduction. The monitor supports AMD FreeSync Premium, which synchronizes the display's refresh rate with the GPU's frame output to eliminate tearing and stuttering. It includes a DisplayPort 1.2 and 2 HDMI 2 inputs, allowing seamless connection to both PCS and next-gen consoles. The built-in 2W stereo speakers provide convenient audio, while the ergonomic stand offers tilt, swivel, and height adjustments for personalized comfort. With a peak brightness of 300 CD/M2 and 99% sRGB color gamut coverage, the screen produces vivid colors and sufficient luminance for well-lit rooms. Panel's 3000:1 contrast ratio yields deep blacks, enhancing detail in shadow-heavy games. Compared to the Sansui 27-inch curved monitor, which I have included as number 6 on this list, the Scepter model offers a slightly higher refresh rate and a more compact footprint, though the larger Sansui panel provides a broader field of view for immersive titles. VESA 100x100 mounting interface lets users pair it with monitor arms, and the low blue light and flicker-free technologies protect eyes during marathon sessions. At number 6, we have Sansui 27-inch curved monitor. This 27-inch VA panel features a 1500R curvature that envelops the viewer, creating a more immersive gaming experience, especially in wide-angle titles. The screen delivers a full HD 1920x1080 resolution paired with a 144 Hz refresh rate and a 4 ms MPRT response time, ensuring fluid motion and minimal ghosting. Adaptive Sync technology, compatible with AMD FreeSync, synchronizes frame rates to eliminate tearing. Connectivity includes 2 HDMI 2 ports, a DisplayPort 1.2, and a headphone jack, offering flexibility for multiple devices. Monitor's ergonomic stand provides tilt, swivel, and height adjustments, allowing users to fine-tune their viewing position for comfort during extended play. With a typical brightness of 300 CD/M2, a 3000:1 contrast ratio, and 99% sRGB coverage, the display presents vibrant colors and deep blacks. Built-in dual 2W speakers deliver decent audio without external hardware. Although it does not support HDR, its high contrast and low blue light mode help maintain visual clarity and reduce eye fatigue. Compared to the Sansui 24-inch gaming monitor, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the 27-inch version offers a larger screen and a more pronounced curvature, though the smaller model includes a frameless design that may suit minimalist desk setups. At number 5, we have Sansui 24-inch gaming monitor. This 24-inch IPS panel delivers a full HD 1920x1080 resolution with a rapid 165 Hz refresh rate and a 1 ms MPRT response time, positioning it as a competitive choice for fast-paced esports titles. The monitor supports AMD FreeSync Premium, providing smooth frame pacing across a wide range of frame rates, while its low input lag ensures immediate responsiveness to player actions. Connectivity options include 2 HDMI 2 ports, a DisplayPort 1.2, and a USB-C port for video input and power delivery, expanding compatibility with modern laptops and consoles. Sleek, frameless design enhances a multi-monitor setup, and the stand offers tilt, swivel, and height adjustments for ergonomic comfort. With a typical brightness of 350 CD/M2 and a 99% sRGB color gamut, the screen produces vivid, accurate colors suitable for both gaming and content creation. The monitor also incorporates a low blue light filter and flicker-free technology to protect eyes during long sessions. While it lacks HDR certification, its high brightness and contrast ratio of 1000:1 still provide a punchy visual experience. Compared to the Gorfolk 24.5-inch gaming monitor, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Sansui model delivers a higher refresh rate and a faster response time, though the Gorfolk offers a slightly larger screen and a built-in USB hub for peripheral connectivity. At number 4, we have Gorfolk 24.5-inch gaming monitor. This 24.5-inch IPS display presents a full HD 1920x1080 resolution with a 144 Hz refresh rate and a 1 ms MPRT response time, delivering crisp motion and sharp image quality for both competitive and immersive gaming. The monitor is AMD FreeSync Premium compatible, reducing screen tearing and stuttering when paired with supported GPUs. It features a versatile connectivity suite, two HDMI 2 ports, a DisplayPort 1.2, and a USB-C port that supports DisplayPort Alt mode and 65W power delivery, allowing users to connect laptops and charge devices simultaneously. Ergonomic stand offers tilt, swivel, pivot, and height adjustments, providing a fully customizable viewing experience. With a peak brightness of 350 CD/M2, a 99% sRGB color gamut, and a 1000:1 contrast ratio, colors appear vibrant and details remain visible even in darker scenes. Monitor also includes built-in dual 2W speakers and a USB Type-A hub for convenient peripheral access. Although it does not feature HDR, its HDR-compatible color profile and low blue light mode help maintain visual fidelity and reduce eye strain. Compared to the Sansui ultra-wide curved gaming monitor, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Gorfolk provides a higher pixel density on a smaller panel and supports USB-C connectivity, while the ultra-wide model offers a much broader aspect ratio for enhanced immersion. At number 3, we have Sansui ultra-wide curved gaming monitor. This expansive 34-inch VA panel boasts a 1500R curvature and a striking 3440x1440 WQHD resolution, delivering a 21:9 aspect ratio that fills peripheral vision and enhances immersion in open-world and simulation titles. The monitor runs at a 144 Hz refresh rate with a 4 ms MPRT response time, providing smooth motion across the ultra-wide field. Supports AMD FreeSync Premium, synchronizing the display's refresh rate with the GPU to eliminate tearing and reduce stutter. Connectivity includes two HDMI 2 ports, a DisplayPort 1.2, and a USB-C port for video input and power delivery, offering flexible connections for PCs and consoles. Stand offers tilt, swivel, and height adjustments, while the VESA-compatible mounting pattern allows for wall mount or arm installations. With a typical brightness of 300 CD/M2, a 3000:1 contrast ratio, and 99% sRGB coverage, the screen delivers deep blacks and vivid colors. Built-in dual 5W speakers provide adequate audio for casual gaming. The monitor also incorporates low blue light and flicker-free technologies to protect eyes during extended sessions. Compared to the ASUS TUF VG27 AQ3A monitor, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the Sansui ultrawide offers a significantly larger aspect ratio and higher resolution, though the ASUS model provides a faster 165 Hz refresh rate and HDR support for brighter highlights. At number 2, we have ASUS TUF VG27 AQ3A monitor. This 27-inch IPS panel delivers a WQHD 2560x1440 resolution with a rapid 165 Hz refresh rate and a 1 ms MPRT response time, making it a top choice for high-performance gaming and content creation. Display supports Adaptive Sync, compatible with both AMD FreeSync Premium and NVIDIA G-Sync compatible, ensuring tier-free gameplay across a broad frame rate spectrum. It also features HDR10 support, providing a peak brightness of 400 CD/M2 and a wide color gamut that enhances contrast and vibrancy in supported titles. Connectivity includes two HDMI 2 ports, a DisplayPort 1.2, and a USB-C port with DisplayPort Alt mode and 65W power delivery, allowing seamless connection to modern laptops and peripherals. The ergonomic stand offers tilt, swivel, pivot, and height adjustments, while the ASUS Eye Care suite, comprising low blue light and flicker-free technologies, reduces eye fatigue during marathon sessions. With a 99% sRGB coverage and a 1000:1 contrast ratio, colors appear accurate and shadows retain detail. Dual 2W built-in speakers provide basic audio, while a headphone jack offers private listening. Compared to the Sansui gaming monitor, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the ASUS TUF provides a higher resolution, faster refresh rate, and HDR capability, though the Sansui model offers a larger 27-inch screen with a more affordable price point. At number 1, we have Sansui Gaming Monitor. Its flagship 27-inch IPS display presents a stunning WQHD 2560x1440 resolution paired with a blistering 165 Hz refresh rate and a 1 ms MPRT response time, delivering ultra-smooth motion and razor-sharp detail for competitive and immersive gaming alike. The monitor incorporates Adaptive Sync technology, supporting both AMD FreeSync Premium and NVIDIA G-Sync compatible, which synchronizes the panel's refresh rate with the GPU to eradicate tearing and minimize input lag. HDR10 support boosts peak brightness to 450 CD/M2, expanding dynamic range and enriching colors for HDR-enabled games and media. The panel covers 100% of the sRGB color space and offers a 1000:1 contrast ratio, ensuring accurate color reproduction and deep blacks. Connectivity options are extensive, through HDMI 2 ports, a DisplayPort 1.4, a USB-C port with 65W power delivery, and a USB Type-A hub for peripheral connections. The ergonomic stand provides tilt, swivel, pivot, and height adjustments, while VESA 100x100 mounting compatibility allows for custom setups. Advanced eye care features, including low blue light and flicker-free technology, protect vision during long gaming marathons. Built-in dual 5W speakers deliver clear audio, and a headphone jack offers private listening, compared to the ASUS TUF VG27 AQ3A monitor, which I have included as number 2 on this list. The Sansui gaming monitor matches the refresh rate and resolution while offering a higher peak brightness and full HDR10 certification, solidifying its position at the top of this lineup.